Welcome to States of Matter. Hi all, my name is Tremaine Anker and I'm here to share with you my scientific knowledge on the phases of matter, or aka the states of matter. There are three phases of matter that we are going to focus on today, and those are going to be solids, liquids, and gases. These are the three things that make up the majority of things we come in contact with every day. I'm going to shed some light on each of these for you. First off, solids. This is a piece of ice. We know it's a solid because it has a definite shape and volume, even when it's broken. Observe how even though the ice breaks, it still remains solid and the pieces that it breaks off into. Watch once more.
Here we have the ice cube that you just saw break. The ice is a solid object, so the particles in there are very tightly packed because it is stronger when it's.
Here we see the solid ice absorbing energy to its particles so for it to speed up and for it to change into our second phase, liquid. In our case, water.
The plate of water, as you can see here, is filled with little particles, but compared to the ice particles, they're farther apart. So even though they're closer, they're not as strong as the ice is. They're not as tightly packed. That's why water flows like it does. So our water can flow in any direction when it fell.
Observe how the liquid uses that extra energy to spread out around the plate. A liquid has no definite shape, only the shape of the container that holds it, but it definitely has a definite volume. Here we see that it takes the shape of the plate, yet it still has the same volume. I wouldn't touch that if I were you. The stove is hot. That right there is a gas. It's called steam. It's basically overheated water. When the water particles are overcharged, they expand and disperse far away from each other, and they create this mist-like gas called steam.
Now we move on to the stove. Excuse the poor drawing. But when we open the top of the pot, you could see that the smoke was rising. It had to expand. Those particles added so much heat right here from this fire, they got excited.
Well, folks, that concludes our video. I hope you take some of this information and use it in a fun way where you can teach somebody else about the states of matter. Have a good one, and goodbye.